Marco's range of electronic pumps is particularly interesting thanks to the extremely compact dimensions of the products. This allows for perfect fitting in reduced spaces, leaving increased room for other devices. The main advantage of electronic pumps is the variable speed of the motor, which automatically adapts to the required flow rate. Electrical consumption is always proportional to the actual flow rate. The pump quickly reaches the required flow rate, but always in a progressive way, thereby avoiding hydraulic shock. This system does not require the use of accumulator tanks. The pumps are equipped with a function which detects when the tank is empty. As you can see, simulating an empty tank, the blue LED indicator turns off, and after a minute and a half, the pump automatically stops. Electronics protect the pump from electrical shock. There is also a program for restarting the pump a few times and stopping it if the problem persists. A multicolored LED was added so that the operational status of the pump is clearly visible. Double pumps are a viable solution for those who want security in a system integrating two pumps with progressive yet independent operation. In the case of failure of one pump, the second pump is immediately activated. Starting from a capacity of 6.8 US gallons, the pumps can be supplied with a remote control panel. This device allows you to turn the pump on and off or to activate a remote start. The LED panel shows the operational status.